Hey everyone, I'm Max and I'll be leading the Block Breaker game design course here at Hero Academy. This course is designed to help you dive into game development using the powerful and beginner-friendly Godot engine. Whether you're completely new to game development or have some experience, we'll make this a fun, hands-on, and engaging learning experience. Here's what we'll be diving into over the course. The basics of Godot engine, implementing player movement, collision detection, and game physics, creating bricks, managing interactions, and setting up a game loop, enhancing the game with sound effects, animations, and UI elements, and then finally packaging your game so that you can share it with your friends and upload it online. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to create a complete Block Breaker game in Godot from scratch. You'll walk away with a strong foundation in game development and the ability to start creating your own projects. I'm excited to get started with you all. Let's make this an amazing experience.